What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning into another Tech Tuesday video. Today I am going to be talking about the Spigen MagFit case for the Apple MagSafe Charger. What's up guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you very much for coming back to the channel to watch another Tech Tuesday video. So guys, if you are new to the channel, I do Tech Tuesday videos most weeks and I review the latest tech product, and today I'm going to be looking at a specific product by the company called Spigen. Now, Spigen is a company that's been around for a long time. They're renowned in making phone cases specifically for things like the Samsung Galaxy phones and the iPhones. Their cases are of the top quality. They're a brand name that people recognize when they come to buying phone cases, and they make premium products. So today the product we're looking at is the MagFit for the Apple MagSafe Charger. And if you don't know what Apple's MagSafe Charger is, where have you guys been for so long? What, have you been living under a rock? Like everybody knows Apple's news and rumors before Apple even releases the products nowadays. So in last week's video I had a look at the Apple MagSafe for the first time, so you got to see my first impressions of the product and how I liked it and how it was good for use. Had that on back order for a long time, so I finally got my hands on it and it is fantastic. Now let's talk about the MagSafe Charger first of all. So the MagSafe Charger is made of magnets. Now the magnets will stick to the magnets embedded in the back of the iPhone 12 series of phones. It can also be used as a Qi wireless charger. So you can charge your wireless AirPods case or your AirPods Pro, and you can charge, well, I've personally tested the iPhone 11 Pro and that does wirelessly charge, although the magnets do not stick anywhere near enough as strong as they do with the iPhone 12, but it works. That's the main thing. It works and it charges your phone. If you have a 12 series, then it's even better because then you get the magnetism with it too. Now, getting back onto the magnetism, and this is something Apple tell you too, specific to their own cases like their leather cases that they do. They actually have a statement to say the MagSafe Charger, which I have here, when connected to the phone, that round circle may leave an imprint on the back of your leather case. So over time, with lots of use, the magnets are going to leave a little embedded round circle in the back of those cases. Now that's where the Spigen MagFit comes into things. I wanted to use that MagSafe Charger on my bedside table so I can just pop my phone on there when I go to sleep at night, wake up in the morning and it's all fully charged. Don't have to worry about any Qi wireless chargers where you try to put the phone down and it's misplaced. You wake up in the morning and find out my battery's dead, the phone didn't charge the whole night. And let me tell you, I had that situation so many times. So having those magnets connect to the phone and knowing that you've got that secure fit, that is great, and that's why I love the MagSafe. So let's take a look at the actual MagFit by Spigen. It has been made specifically for the exact shape and fitting of the iPhone's Apple MagSafe Charger. So you will have no trouble in getting the MagSafe Charger to fit inside. You can buy this in 2 different colors, a black version or a white version. I went specifically for the white because obviously it matches the MagSafe Charger's color, and it's just white gives it a lot more of an Apple feel to the product. So I went for the white one, and plus my bedside table is white too, so it's all just nicely fits in. So yeah, this one was for me. You guys might prefer the black one. If you do pick one up, I'd like to hear your comments, so leave me a little comment down below and let me know which one you guys sought after. Well, first of all, let me tell you is that if you've got one of those Apple leather cases or a case like it, then you're going to want this, because what this does is it actually protects your phone's case and your phone and the MagSafe charger from coming into a direct contact. There is a very, very subtle minimalistic lip to that case there. So the MagSafe is not actually right at the top, but the force of the magnets is actually still going to allow the phone to attract. And I'll show you here. If I just grab my iPhone 12 Pro, I've got a third-party case on it, and there's the MagSafe, and let's have a look to see how it sticks. That's on there. Here's my hand. It's not coming off. And just in case, if you don't believe me how strong that is, that's me holding it with a cable. Here's my hand. Phone's hanging free. It hasn't fallen off. So on your bedside table, that is going to do the trick. And if you guys are wondering, well, if it's on your table, isn't it just going to slip and move and go flying around the place when you try to pick up your phone? Spigen have put something into the bottom of that case, as you can see. So that's the front side and that's the bottom side. So when you put this down on your table, they've embedded a technology called Nanotech into the base of this. What the Nanotech is that it will actually, first of all, make sure you have a clean, smooth surface, wipe it down, dry it, make sure there's no residue of any dust or any oils. Put this on the table, put your phone on top of that MagSafe charger, and when you lift up your phone, the Nanotech sticks to the table. The Nanotech helps that charger stay on the surface. So as long as you've got a clean and flat surface, you've got nothing to worry about. Now, do I recommend the MagFit by Spigen? Yes, I do. I would highly recommend it. If you are one that you don't want to freehand the MagSafe charger, have it connected to the back of the phone, you just want to pick it up and use it all the time, then yeah, maybe this is not for you. If you want a MagSafe charger on your desk, on your workspace, on your bedside table like I do, then this is probably the perfect thing that you can buy. It adds very minimal, it's got a very minimal footprint. It's not a huge stand that's going to take up all the space. It complements the MagSafe charger, it does the job, and it's protecting your device. So I couldn't really ask for anything more than that. So yeah, I'm going to go stick my AirPods on here, and then I'm going to charge my iPhone when I go to sleep tonight. There's more Tech Tuesday videos on the way. Yeah, thank you guys very much for tuning in, because like I always tell you, if you weren't watching these videos, then I have no reason to make them. But I really hope that you guys get something out of these videos and you enjoy the content. Leave me a comment down below. If you pick up the MagFit, let me know what you guys thought, what were your impressions. And yeah, like I said, I'll leave the links down below. So take it easy, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in next week. Peace.